First, 2 important notes. A note on the topic of disinfecting. Although I am all about clean, you'll notice that I don't recommend antibacterial products that claim to obliterate germs on contact. In my research, I've consulted epidemiologists at the CDC, chemists, doctors, and other cleaning professionals, and I've discovered that none recommend the goal of trying to kill germs on every surface all the time. Living in a completely sterile environment is not beneficial to our immune systems, and in fact, appears to be harmful. What's more, the incorrect application of these products, that is, relying on them to disinfect messes rather than cleaning them up properly, renders them ineffective at best and can often result in spreading germs around at worst. Disinfectants are typically designed solely to disinfect. They don't really clean. Experts agree physically removing dirt, that is, by scrubbing it away using soap and water, is the most important thing you can do for the health of your home. Don't worry about disinfecting surfaces unless there's someone in your house with a specific, serious health problem, in which case, please talk to your doctor about how to properly clean. Or if there's a specific reason to disinfect, chicken juice, pet stains, toddler accidents. At that time, remember, remove the dirt physically first and then disinfect the surface right after with the appropriate product.